이제 스트림 시작해볼까요? Shall we start? Okay. Let's see where we left off today. It did take me quite some time to do my setup, to be honest. And what I did, I went with OBS streaming, and I had to prepare some graphics and learn how to use scenes and sources, and there was a problem with the audio, etc, etc, etc. It was, yeah, I had no idea it's going to take so much time. And also what I did is, instead of using the webcam, I'm using the front-facing camera on my phone connected with the laptop. And by the way, OBS is so much better than the game show. Much more less intensive for the laptop itself. If the music is too loud, just somebody can just tell me, and I'm going to fix it. Okay, so let's go on with the show. Let's see where we left off last time. We had to do with flex, if I'm not mistaken. The initial size of an item. Oops. I wonder if there's a problem with my Wi-Fi, which there should not be a problem because okay, now it should be better. Sometimes you might see flickering, which is something I can't avoid because I'm switching between screens on the MacBook M21. I want to check how everything is going, so it's not loading properly. I wonder why. And why is that website again included in my ad block? This doesn't make any sense. Probably. Oops, sorry. Apparently I did not have my sound on. Something I have to keep look out. What I was explaining a little bit like 1 minute ago is that for some weird reason I can't stream my Chrome browser without having the freeCodeCamp YouTube, the live stream channel open, the live stream page open. And I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to try it like for the next stream. But yeah, it looks like it's not that easy to actually stream something on the internet. Okay, let's go on with coding because we're 25 minutes in and I still haven't coded anything. And the flickering, I'm gonna try to fix it somehow. I'm sorry about the whole flickering. When I switch between screens, you can see the way that it moves slightly to the left or the right, depending on which screen I scroll to, I slide to. So yeah. The issue size of the boxes using flex spaces, and this is property flex spaces to box 1 and 2. And then we have to give them properties of 10 and 20. Okay, so we're going with flex. And then we go with 10 EM. We close it. You can see how it moved, and then we go with flex spaces of 20. Yeah, okay. Been sitting all day and my back hurts a little bit. People wondering what I'm drinking. Choose some cider. It's similar to Sprite or 7-Up, but slightly better, to be honest. I don't know if you can find it anywhere except Korea. It's made by Lotte. Very nice drink, refreshing. Goes amazingly well with pizza, by the way. So I'm using this microphone over here, so the sound might be a little bit weird. You can hear, I can almost do ASMR. But no, I'm not into this kind of stuff. But the sound, I don't have a professional mic or anything, so I'm using my headphones. Flex one. Okay. This is very useful information over here. Instead of writing flex grow, flex shrink, or flex basis separately, you can just use them all together at once. Just type flex, and then you have the first number is the grow, the second number is the shrink, and then the last one is the basis. The same thing as like setting an RGB color in CSS, where you have the R, G, and P, and then with three different number properties separated just by a single empty space. The default settings are 0, 1, auto. Okay. If we have auto, we should have none, I guess, or maybe not. Flex over here. And give flex one. Flex one. We have to give the property of grow 2, and then the shrink is also 2, and the basis is going to be 100 pixels. Okay, and then for box 2, we're gonna go with flex, and then we have to go with 1. And then for shrink 1, and again 150 pixels for the basis. Yeah, okay. And yeah, our code is compiled. Just a second, I want to check something. I thought the YouTube Creators, was it the name? What's the name of it? YouTube Studio on my Android, and I was just wondering how it works. But I guess it doesn't give you any information about your live streams. Intriguing. Not very useful. It could have been better if they just put also information about the live stream, so you don't, for people who don't have a second monitor, which I'm gonna have to invest soon, because I love working with two monitors. Okay. Live stream team. Oh, there is a lot to do. Sorry, I'm editing the sounds. Okay. Test. Okay, looks like everything is looking fine. Now I just what I gotta do, to be honest. Okay. I just need to hear my weird voice in my own ears. And yeah, we are ready to go. Again. Yet.
Make a smile for me. Lately I've been so lonely, and a smile might make these blues go away. Might make these
See where my mouse is. I hope you can. It's really interesting to hear Korean song on the freeCodeCamp 24/7 music stream. A little bit weird even, but still the songs are really nice. It's really really good to chill out and just like sit down and maybe concentrate. I can't really concentrate because I'm dealing with this interesting new softwares. It's still not that difficult. I'm just learning through error and a lot of mistakes. But that's my problem because I don't have a big streaming rig. Okay, let's go. like we're going to start with CSS Grid. It has been a very difficult part of the whole CSS language for me, and quite new, to be honest. But I hope that freeCodeCamp is going to help me understand it better and understand it properly. I'm telling the container to be container. Display. Okay. And just telling that it's a container does not change anything, it just tells that it's a container. And now we have to add a template. Okay. By 100 pixels. 100 pixels. Columns. Yep, you see, you miss one letter and nothing works. FR means fraction. Use the unit for fraction. You can set it auto, or you can use percentages. Okay. Then we have the one automatic column. One is going to be 50 pixels, one is going to be 10% of the whole space. It's going to be the two fractions of the whole space, and then going to be one fraction of the space. So this means, yeah, this means we have 5 columns with all different sizes. But we want to make it into 3. It's going to be one fraction, and then there's going to be 120 pixels and 2 fractions. And then we can insert gaps. Column, gap, and let's make the gaps 20 pixels. And I guess we can do it for rows as well. Yes. So I'm getting quite sleepy. If you want to have a cleaner code, it's better to do it alphabetically. So this means that the column code should go before the row code. In this case, we need to have columns of 20 pixels. Oh no, what am I writing? Column and gap, sorry. Gap. Now it makes much more sense. No, then you should have a create gap property that introduces 10 pixels between the rows. Yes, and then 10 pixels between the columns. Row gap of 10 pixels, yes. gonna need a cup of water. Be right back. Wait a second, I'm gonna try something. Okay, makes much more sense to be honest. like how the camera is mirrored, so yep, now it should be way better. Can't get rid of the rectangle, very annoying, but for next time I'm gonna try to fix it. is one of the aspects of thesis that I couldn't understand. It's very human explained. FreeCodeCamp, that's why I recommend it. FreeCodeCamp hasn't failed me yet. Everything is explained properly. It's understandable. Yeah, that's what is important. Oops. I did not intend to move my desk. Okay, this is very useful. You, instead of writing every single column or every single row and what size it should be, just tell it to repeat every column, the number of columns, and how wide or how big they should be. And this is very useful. It just repeats everything. It's written as a size unit by how many times with the number before the comma. Okay, let's try it then. Okay, so we want to have grid template column just repeat, remove repetition. Oh, okay, repeat, then we open it. Oh yeah, we open it. And you go with 3 by 1 fraction. It produces the same result as having it with 1 fraction, 1 FR, 1 FR, 1 FR. one fraction in the repeat function with a column size that has the minimum width of 50. Okay. 3, 5. Next. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. If I understand properly, of course, it should be with 90 pixels to one fraction. Okay, so yeah, it was correct. You can just use inside brackets. Because this thing itself is a unit, you might say. And then we have 400 pixels. Okay, this one should be... I don't know why it does not change, to be honest. Left and right. Exactly that, I don't know why it's not working. Intriguing. forms. I can't fix this. By the way, this song is my favorite. I love it. Nujabes, may he rest in peace, was an amazing, not only DJ but just artist. I wanted to go see him live when I was in Japan, but too bad he died. If I'm not mistaken, he died when I was there. In a traffic accident. Now it makes a lot more sense. 1, 2. To need this one to be header and footer. Yeah, you can see how it changes. Okay, so now it makes sense. What I was doing is that I was literally removing one row. One column. I was leaving one column empty, and then the browser does not know what to do with it, so it just leaves it as. So it just ignores this whole area, it ignores this whole part of the code. But when I tell that this column and this column should be header, it changes. You can resize it, you can see it. Yeah. What I was doing is I did not tell the browser what to do with this column. Okay, now it makes sense. That's why over here we have code on both sides because it's 2 rows. Okay. So you can put a grid inside the grid. Okay. And then tomorrow I'm going to have to actually, before freeCodeCamp updated the curriculum. Sorry, there were a lot less lessons, and I think there was only one test where you had to just build a tribute page. I'm not sure, and I started building it actually, but then there was just too much work to do. I couldn't invest a lot of time in learning to code and finish the tribute page, so I started it and I just left it somewhere. And now, as we can see from the pages, we have this introduction to responsive web design projects. It's pretty much the final lesson, you might say. You have to build a tribute page, then you have to build a survey form, make a product landing page, and then a technical documentation page, and build a personal portfolio. And you can see by the end of this, you would have 5 responsive websites under your belt that you can show off to friends, family, employees, etc. Oops. Nope, I wanna go back. So there's gonna be a lot of back and forth with the documentation page, a lot with the forums. It will take quite some time, to be honest. Oh, very sorry. By the way, in Korea now it's 2 o'clock at night. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to build 5 pages now. To use the read, search, ask method if you get stuck. This is really important. It has helped me quite a lot. And I get stuck, I try to read it. If I can't find it, I search for it, and then if I can't find it, then I gotta ask. The freeCodeCamp community is amazing. They're really helpful. You can always go on the forums and just ask. And also the 100 days of code community is also really helpful. It's the creator of the whole 100 days of code challenge. He is also a contributor in the freeCodeCamp website and the whole project itself. And he's from Canada, if I'm not mistaken. And also they have a Slack channel. You can always go to the Slack channel and always ask. It's really helpful. And also there is this chat, I guess, messaging app or IRC, which is called Gitter, Gitter, and there is a freeCodeCamp community over there. A lot of people are on the chat, so you can always ask for questions. You can always ask if you have something that's been bothering you. And they have the whole community. They have a lot of small, I guess, rooms that you can ask. Like they have a separate room for like backend help, which is called help backend. They have for Python. They have people for Spanish speakers. It's called Español. And then you have data science. And you have Chinese. For the Chinese community that's using freeCodeCamp. And then what do they have else? Pair programming. Yeah, I guess they have a lot of rooms that you can just go and ask. Yeah, they have a help room, help frontend, help JavaScript, admins. They have their separate room. Code review. Okay, nice. Yeah, they have everything you need if you need faster response than the forums. But I think help on the forums is not slow at all. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is, I think, yeah, let's see what's gonna be the first. Yeah, on every lesson they give you the objectives and what it should include, pretty much what you should put in the code itself. And yeah, you can see that you can build a project by forking this code pen, or you can use the CDN link to run the test in any environment you like.
Well, the first thing I want to say is
Okay, yes, this is for it. Okay, so I guess in the next few weeks I'm going to be stuck with finishing this. And then you have to put a link to the solution. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the live stream. I hope it's interesting to just chill with that random guy on the other side of the world. It would be nice, like, if there is any questions, you can always ask on the chat. I'm gonna try to answer as fast as possible and as accurate as possible. You might ask me about Korea also. I live in Korea. I've been living in Korea for quite some time. You might ask me in Korean also. It's not a problem. I speak Korean. And also professionally, I'm a graphic designer. And now I'm currently on the process of changing my field to UX design and to web design, but mainly on the UX side of app designs. And yeah, there's a lot of things to study. And if I want to become a unicorn, as it's known in the design community, a unicorn is a designer who can also code. That would be really nice. That's pretty much my final task, or more. It's not exactly a test, to be honest. It's more like my final challenge is to become a unicorn designer. Yeah, and I think that freeCodeCamp is going to help me complete this, because what my whole plan is I start with HTML and CSS, and then I move on to JavaScript, and from JavaScript I can, when I get the basics of JavaScript, I can always go with Vue.js, or I can go with React, which is huge, to be honest. And now with React I can work better with Framer X, which is a new tool. It's still in beta, and I have it on my computer. I've tried it, but just having this, not understanding exactly what's happening with the code side of the software, it's quite frustrating. And I am pretty sure that I don't utilize the software 100%. But it's a really powerful tool. It's a really powerful tool, and just knowing how to code is just so much helpful for a designer who can even read code, not just let's say not code everything, but at least read and understand what's happening inside the code. It's so much easier to communicate with the developers. And I think everyone knows that miscommunication is the main problem with every community and with every workplace. And when one side believes that they understand something, but they don't actually understand it, and there is always this frustration when there is communication between, let's say, developers and the designers. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to bridge this. And if I might not become the best, I guess, front-end developer in the world, but I hope and I believe it's going to help me in the future with my career. And that's why I'm studying it. That's why I'm on the track of getting this freeCodeCamp certificate for front-end developer. And I'm really grateful to everyone who's contributing in the freeCodeCamp website and the whole project itself, because it's really, really helpful. I have tried other competitors, let's say, which some of them are paid, but to be honest, yeah, freeCodeCamp has been pretty much perfect for now. Okay, that's it from me. I wish everyone a good night from the other side of the world, or as I like to joke, from the future, and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.